Hello everyone. So today I'm looking for BTC my swing trading plan in this week before New York session open and London open. So currently we are seeing BTC is in major resistance zone. As you can see, it's break the latest zone, which is 600 600 and currently we are in downtrend bearish in 4-hour time frame, and what I'm looking to pull back at this zone so that I can buy from this dip, or another plan I'm thinking about, which is, wait a second guys, which is follow the trend, because the current trend, as you can see, is bearish because it is forming lower high and again lower low, lower high, lower low, and which is a bearish market structure. So going against the trend, I do not think it will be a good idea. But if you want to try a scalping or 15-minute or 30-minute trade, you can do it. So let's plan how I can analyze the market for tomorrow. First of all, as you can see, we are in major downtrend, and there is a strong support here. If I mark like that, as you can see, and where is the next potential movement, and here is another major, what we can call wick. So there is two possibility from here. If we mark, we can either break this high. So currently market is in consolidation zone. So if I delete this zone, this is, which is create a noise actually, because we are inside this range, as you can see, from weekend day to till today. So before, we can expect tomorrow either we'll sweep this low and goes up, or either we can break and goes down. There is a two possibility, but as you can see, there are lots of liquidity below because there's a lots of stop loss here. So I am expecting a bullish market because there's a lots of pending order here, as you can see. So maybe we can expect a short-term lower high, then fall. So tomorrow my plan will be, I will enter short from here, because as you can see, market is strongly bearish. So market is currently lower low. So my goal is to, if market come back this zone, I will short from here to target this low, to liquidate all them. Then my next plan will be tomorrow goes up. So this is my BTC plan. I hope you get my point. So I am planning to short from here because it is the major zone, as you also can see, round number, which is around 60K is also a round number, and which will attract many trader, I believe. So shorting from here will be a good idea, putting our stop loss just above, targeting 1:1.5 or 1:2. You can target as well, but in New York session there is a lot of liquidity and stop loss hunt, so be careful. For intraday trade or as a swing trade, 1:2 is better, I think, because I need bigger win rate. So I prefer 1:2. So next, if we look Ethereum, we can see it is like moving BTC as well. so which is in major zone like 50,000. So it is following a downtrend, as you can see, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So where we can find our next potential zone is this one is major, and this one also we can call it major C. Previously we touch here and it will go straight up. So currently market we are also Ethereum in range, so I am not trading inside this zone. I am waiting for price either break this high then goes down, or sweep this then goes up. This is my currently thinking for Ethereum. I will go long from after sweeping this all stop loss, then targeting this high, and stop loss will go below. This is my Ethereum. If price goes below, here there are lots of stop loss here, as you can see price must becomes down to goes up. This is for reversal trading, but if you follow the trend then you can plan another trade like above, which is I already told you. If price break this high and goes down, goes straight up, then we can target this order block as well, so putting our stop loss above and targeting this low. So this is for Ethereum. And now let's see what is the new trendy market. As you can see, there are a lot of altcoin and meme coin are moving, which is almost 50-30% per day. So as you can see, I have a show Velvet, and which is currently in major zone. I believe that price will fall from here because it is a major zone. So if I am expecting a fall after sweeping this high, so currently I am waiting to price goes up and break this high, then fall down, because this is the last major high, price will went up. So it is a high possibility to short from here. So I'm planning this as well also. So let's see how it is moving, and our target will be this, because as you can see market touch this resistance zone multiple times. So this is my swing trade planning for tomorrow. Let's see how it will go. And next rep, this is now most volatile coin. As you can see price is straight on going for a few days, straight on going down. But if you watch closely this chart, here you will find lots of resistance, lots of weeks. Price just broke the major support zone and it's creating a higher high. So we might expect a fall down short term from here, but it's not high probability, so I will skip for it now. Let's move on another chart. Okay, on rep, as you can see, Lab USD. Sorry, this was from Velvet chart, and this is we are in Lab chart now. In Lab chart, as you can see, price is following an uptrend, as you can see, higher high and higher low. So there will be liquidity from here. Okay, and lots of stop loss and pending order from here. So let's see. Currently market, as you can see, in range market, so I have to wait to either price break this and sweep this low, then I'm planning to long or short. If price sweep this low, then I will go for long from here to at least 1:2 or 1:3. I will ideal target, as you can see, because there are two major stop loss here. So if price sweep this low, I can go straight up for a few pips. And another plan will be, if price sweep this major high, then if price falls, we can get few points from here. But for high trade, I don't think it will be risky. It is risky trade because you are going against the trend, but I think it will be safer trade. If price just come back down and sweep this low, then I will go for uptrend, because I am following the trend. As you can see, previous trend was uptrend, so it will be, I think, a good choice to follow the trend. So let's see what tomorrow market will do. I believe it will come down and sweep this low, then I will go for uptrend. So that's it for my tomorrow swing trading plan. I hope you like it, and if you have any comment or knowing anything, please let me know. I will answer it. So let's see you on tomorrow.